morning, YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I just wanted to make a very short video showing the laser cut kit parts that I got from Rob Reynolds on his from his Balsa Workbench website for the QT that I plan on putting my Cox Golden Bee engine on. Now, the plans and the instruction sheet, or actually the construction article for this, can be downloaded from OuterZone, and I'll provide a link to that on this video. But what I really wanted to show you was I've got my plan sheet laid out here, and I want to lay out the parts that Rob provided to me for this kit and show what's included and what additional wood you'll have to buy to actually complete this kit. So let's take a look at that stuff right now. Okay, so here's my plan sheet for the QT, and all of the laser cut parts that were included in the kit, short kit from Rob Reynolds at balsaworkbench.com. So as you can see, I'll lay out these parts and show what all is included in this short kit. So we've got fuselage sides, the F2 former, F3 former, F1 firewall, our nose or cheek sides. This piece here is actually the bottom here, bottom part of the fuselage. This is a dihedral gauge, and of course all of the wing ribs to include the end caps. Now these wing ribs that I purchased from him are going to be a D-tube style arrangement instead of the original plans, which was just one spar. This has got two, and it'll have sheeting here and here, and then cap strips. So those are the wing ribs. And much of the tail components are here too. Let's see, where's my tail at? Okay, so let me move the camera over to this side just a little bit. You'll see fin, rudder, and these pieces are actually parts of the horizontal stabilizer. I should have two of these, yes, here. So this is, I'm not exactly sure what this piece is quite yet. This is exactly what you get in the laser cut laser cut kit from Rob Reynolds on the QT. So I still need to go to the hobby store, and I've got my list of all the remaining wood I'm going to need, which really isn't all that much. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't much at all. So I'm going to go get that, and hopefully we can begin assembly of this airplane very soon.